Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho Books, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Stripe account to your Zoho Books? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Stripe to your Zoho Books anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that chasing your customers down to pay their invoices can be kind of annoying. So if you connect your Stripe to your Zoho Books, your customers can easily click in and pay directly with a credit card in your Zoho Books invoices. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho Books account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoho Books, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Stripe account, what you're going to do is click on this gear icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see all these different menus, but you just want to scroll down until you see this section here called online payments, and you want to click on customer payments. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all the different payment methods that you can connect to your Zoho book. However, in order to connect your Stripe, you want to click on this one here, credit debit card. Once you click there, it's going to open up this option right here, and you're going to see the Stripe logo, and you just want to click on setup now. Okay, next Stripe opens up your login screen inside the browser. So you need to enter in the email address that's associated with your Stripe account. Okay, so once you do that, go ahead and click on submit. Okay, now Stripe is asking me to enter in my password to my Stripe account. So I'm going to enter that in off screen. Okay, Stripe just sent me a text message to verify that it's me that's trying to link my Stripe to my Zoho Books. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that code in here. Okay, next Stripe is going to ask you which company you want to connect to your Zoom Books. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one and then click on connect. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes, and now you're going to see this right here. You can now collect online payments for your invoices using Stripe. And then here next to integration status, it should say active. So now I can go ahead and receive payments directly from my invoices in my Zoho Books account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Stripe account to your Zoho Books account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.